Do you face automatic increase-decrease volume problem on Android phone? Does the volume keeps going up and down whenever you are listening to calls or music? When you are playing games or watching videos on your Android device, the volume changes by itself. You might feel like your earphone volume goes down automatically while using an external speaker like headphones or earphones. There are several reasons why volume keeps going up and down. However, in most cases, it's because of a stuck or malfunctioning volume button, or it is possible that the cause is your headphone or the headphone jacks. In this video I will show you how to fix automatic increase or decrease volume problem and solve volume keeps going up and down on your Android phone. So let us start. On your Android device, head on to Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Tap on Hearing. Now you need to tap on the mono audio option to toggle it on. Keep the volume balance between left and right. Also, you could select where to use mono audio. Now simply restart your phone. I hope this video will help you to fix automatic increase-decrease volume problem on your Android phone. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.